Only 37,844 miles. Immaculate Eddie Bauer 564X4 in beautiful dark stone metallic. Excellent condition inside and out. This is a genuine Ford certified pre-owned vehicle with a 6-year 100,000-mile warranty. Now financing as low as 2.9%. Equipped with a power moonroof, rear third seat, reverse sensing system, Sirius satellite radio, power windows and locks, cruise control, 6-disc CD, leather interior and much more.